Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices climbed over 1% on Friday, closing in on its all-time high hit in October, as a weakening dollar on US President Donald Trump's push for lower rates and tariff uncertainty drove the metal towards its fourth straight weekly rise. The US dollar slid on Friday and was set for its biggest weekly loss in over a year after President Donald Trump suggested a softer stance on tariffs against China, adding to uncertainty about the trade policy that kept equity markets on edge. Oil prices settled slightly higher on Friday, but posted a weekly decline, ending 4 straight weeks of gains, after US President Donald Trump announced sweeping plans to boost domestic production while demanding that OPEC move to lower crude prices.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices edged higher in the last session. The CCI is in oversold territory.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.